Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, finally. And I just finished with a set of nails. I actually really like them, but the girl just left and it's already noon, so I am going to eat breakfast right now. I'm not sure what I'm gonna have because I don't have avocado anymore. Bummer. So I don't know what I want to make. I actually was thinking of going to the store and just get me something because, but at the same time, you know what? I don't want to vlog. Hello guys, today is Friday and today I did a set of nails and I'll show you a picture right now. So I ended up really liking these nails. The only thing is sorry, I'm really hungry. It's already 3 p.m. and I am barely going to have breakfast. I know, I don't need good times, good hours, I don't know. Right now I'm just having quesadillas with cucumber, lime, and chilito. I already showed you guys the lime and chilito, cucumber. But these are just my fancy. So these are my quesadillas with a little bit of salsa that I made, homemade salsa. And then this is my cucumber with chilito and limon. So yeah guys, it's already 3 like I told you, and I haven't done anything. But I am starving. Right now, I'm just gonna open up my laptop and I'm gonna start looking for a job. I'm gonna need a part-time job because my unemployment is about to expire. And so far with my nail business, I could only make half of the payment. So I'm gonna need a little part-time job to help me with the other half. So yeah, right now I'm going to charge my camera because it's blinking that it's going to die. So I will see you guys a little bit later.
Oh, wait.
Wait. Oh, the lemon has to be proper.
Aren't you supposed to like have it?
So we are eating wings, pizza with cheese. He's drinking soda. I'm drinking a Red's Wicked apple. Yaki is eating no cheese pizza and cheese pizza, right?
That's the pop she got from Will's?
Yep. So we are gonna eat dinner and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Was that the only thing you filmed in this video?
Okay. What angle?
I'm not in frame. Let's go. Barely. Did you get it? Ooh, my turn. What should I get? Yay, did you peek at my game?
Oh.
Huh? Here, you want me to get yours? I'm not using that one. Ooh, it's a game of strategy.
there.
Wait, I thought you had to use it no matter what. I don't know you could choose one or not.
Yeah, but him not wanting to use it, he's eating a bunch.
But guess
Yeah.
what? You say that all the time now.
Okay, shush.
You can have one.
Nobody jinx anything.
Can you actually pick from different sides of pot?
Alright.
Nobody jinx anything.
Yeah, and that was the one that got me too.
Okay,
5, 1.
me.
Oh, it's your
1. Cinco y cinco. Oh, wow. Matamos en el 5. No, no quiere ir.
Well, don't eat.
Keep getting, keep getting.
No.
3 or 5?
Uh-oh.
That's 6. 3, 4, 5.
Can't count.
7.
So we only has a 7 and a 6.
Here's all the big numbers.
Oh, next. Rosa o rojo. 7 or 3.
Oh, Yaki, you're killing me.
You can't.
Wait, no. I meant to put it over there.
Oh, nice. You're not
Turn it.
Happy now.
An 8.
Hey, you're watching my game.
I'm
Oh my god!
I'm being honest, I haven't even looked at it once.
Stop! I'm watching my
You
game.
can care less because you're losing.
Okay. Whose turn is it?
They probably
My
have.
mom's? I already did. Oh, you
¿Cuál
did?
pusiste?
I think that one.
8
Okay.
and 4.
Don't spin. 38 has no 3s. There's one more. You know one? Which one you want?
One in the very
Middle? Okay, which one you want? This one? You should have gotten the one I told you to get first.
Okay, no, listen. What's that?
Well, take
I
it in.
can't.
Put it.
It's not great. Those 3 are pretty.
Okay, you want this one?
Okay.
I can give you mine.
You should have gotten that one, the first one I told him to get.
Yeah.
Fine.
Told you.
Oh my gosh.
You know, this is what I'm gonna do to it.
Oh my god.
Just wait.
He's getting mad. He's getting it all.
You're so mean.
Oh,
You're so dumb.
See what it did to me?
You're so dumb.
What did you do?
What's wrong with you?
You should see my video.
Wait to see the upload.
Why don't you see the video?
Stay tuned.
If you pick on me, I'm not gonna play.
This is the last time you lost and you're still playing. See, look at you, you're back here.
Go
You
ahead.
passed 2.
You dumb butt.
Well, that's all you
That
had
was the
then.
only one I had.
That's all you had.
Oh, that's it? We're done?
What did you get?
I got 12.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got 20.
I got 12.
Ooh, I got 6, 11. Mom won.
Ooh!